I like Flipply.net because it's free. Flippy.net lets you make all kinds of different things. So I would suggest take a moment, try the demos just to play with the information to see what comes up. But all of them have a demo and a template. So let's look at this template. First, it's going to ask you to make a copy. When you make a copy, it's going to say copy of Flippity template. Always rename it because you're not going to remember in a day or two what that means. So make sure it makes something that makes sense to you. So I'm going to call it top 10 vocab because top 10 vocab makes sense to me. So the catch is with Flippity, don't erase these headers up here. So don't change anything in the first two rows. What I'm going to do now is this is row where I can start changing things. So I'm going to go to A3. And if you're not really good at holding down the mouse and dragging, you can cheat A3 and then I'm going to scroll down. And I'm just getting rid of the stuff in the first two columns here. So I'm holding down the shift key now. I'm going to click on the last one in the second column and I hit delete. Now, I already have these vocabulary terms typed in a Google Doc. Great. The problem with that is not everything is always in a Google Doc, so you may actually have to type. So again, you would type the vocabulary term here and so on and so forth. But if you already have it in a table like I do, you could copy and paste it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the rest so you don't have to watch me type, because as exciting as my typing skills are, that's probably not fun for you. So again, I'm going to copy, right click, copy, back to my spreadsheet, right click, and paste. Again, if they aren't already in a beautiful row, then you want to type them. This row came in empty, so I'm going to click on this 4 here just to select that whole row. While I'm still on the 4, I'm going to right click, delete. Now, in this last column, this is telling me the card color, because think of it an index card and the text on the index card. Well, we don't need this extra few little columns here. So I'm going to, again, hold down the shift key, click on the last one, and press delete. So right now, it's going to make that as a vocabulary index card, blue, with the font color red. Why I picked those, I don't know. You can change those out at your heart's content. I can make this one yellow if I want to. Alright, so now I go down here at the bottom where it says get the link here. Every spreadsheet has something slightly different, but on this page it'll tell you this is the link to your Flippity. If I click it right now, error. That's because I didn't follow all the directions. It says, don't forget to publish your spreadsheet first. How do I publish my spreadsheet? File, publish to the web, and just click publish. Okay. And then close that window. Now when I click on the link, again, remember I told you the blue index card with red type? There it is. So here are my index cards. I can click the next index card. I can flip it over to the back side. I can go backwards, forwards, all that great stuff. And this is just, I can make a list, and we've been through this before. Look around and see what you made. And again, all of that was simply made from this spreadsheet of this information. Can I have more? I believe you can have up to 30 terms at once, but after that, some of the items, like the matching, get a little convoluted.